Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Aarsun. Today I have brought for you a Jhoola, an indoor Jhoola in teak wood, natural teak finish, a big seat in the middle, and a very fine craft work. This is the natural teak shade that you see in furniture, and with this shade, you can relate it directly to the wood. So far, is the best shade for any wood unit. And the work on this, let me show you the work first. Have a look here. The designs of the swan, the fine carving, and with this heavy look. This would change the entire look of your living room. The best fine carving you can get anywhere is from Aarsun. We can change the wood to a beautiful structure like this. This is actual wood, nothing else. No ply, MDF or anything else is mixed in this. Every piece, everywhere is pure wood. And the fine wood that we use gives it the strength as well as the design. Now here you can see a brass chain, a very heavy brass chain with this unit. Here we have the options for the brass chain. We can provide you the one with the animals, lighter weight than this, heavier weight than this. This is up to your choice, and the cost fluctuates according to this. This is at a very comfortable height. Once you sit on it, definitely you'll feel the difference. Living rooms have the sofa set with the couch or a settee. This is also an option that you can use along with a couch if you have a big living room. Instead of a couch, you can keep something like this. And this is an entirely different concept from a regular sofa set or a divan or a couch or a settee. Placing a unit like this will change the look of your living room entirely. Let's have a look, and I'm sure you'll appreciate the hard work we do in every unit to produce a masterpiece every time. I hope you like it. Our art, our efforts, our handcrafting techniques, the work of our hard work of our artisans. Please give your reviews in the comments below. Thank you.